Much love, family, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing some new products I have for you that I'm using and am going to use on my locks. So definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. So the first product is in my hair right now. It's these spiral ponytail holders. So this is new to me. It might not be new to you guys, but I saw these in Sally's. I was running in there for something else, not these. I ran in there for a foot scrubber and saw these at the checkout counter, and I just kind of asked the gal up there, about them, what she thought about them, what they were all about. She said they don't leave any creases in your hair or something like that. And I was like, okay, but they were $8. Two small ones like this were $8. So I didn't wind up getting them, but I looked into them. I happened to be in Target and saw some, and $3. This whole pack here for 6 was $3. And I actually don't even know the brand. I don't know if it's like a Target brand or something, because this is how it came. But there were 3, and I said, let me try them. I've been wearing them for a couple weeks now. You guys may have seen them in previous videos in my head. But I love them. They are so great. You can wrap them as many times as you need to. I've never worn my hair like this before. I'm just kind of trying to show you how they go, how they grab. But what I love about them is they grab onto my locks. My daughter uses them too with her natural hair, which they hold great and they don't pull or get stuck or anything like that. But I love them because these grooves kind of grab onto my locks and hold them in place. With my different sizes I have on my head, not different sizes, different lengths I have on my head. Sometimes when I'm doing styles, they are, poking every which way, more than I want them to. And so I like the way they grab and hold the locks into place. They're really wonderful. You guys know I don't like pulling on my head, and these don't pull. I wish I could kind of show you better what I mean by, maybe I'll do a bun or something and kind of show you better how they hold those locks in there. And I haven't found any bigger ones yet. I would really love a bigger one to do, because I've tried to do like this, and it's a bit tight, but I would really love a bigger one. I think that would be great. But let me try and show you what I mean by kind of holding them into place. So if you have like every which way pokey locks like me, it'll work for you. And it's not a style, I'm just trying to show you at the top of my head here. So say I wanted to have these guys all together. So I could go like this. And the little grabbers, fit around the lock and grab onto them and keep them in place. So like these up here, I'm going to poke down into a spiral, and it kind of holds on to them really well. But anywho, have you guys tried these? Have you seen them? Am I on the late train? Is this old? I don't know. Maybe it's really old. Let me know down below. But they're just really, and then, you do as many as you want. That's not cute, but I was just trying to show you how they sort of form onto the lock like that, So they're in the grooves like that. There you go. So it's in the groove. And hold on to it without pulling too much, without hurting, and they don't get stuck. They come right out. So that is the first product. Definitely let me know down below if you guys are already using these and loving them, or, and how long you've been using them. And then, look, I finally got it. I have been talking about this for the past, what, seems like 10 videos. It probably hasn't been that much, but I keep mentioning this tea tree triple treat because I tried the Giovanni 2020 or 2020, 50/50, and it did not work for me. I did not love it. I can link above to the video where I tried that. But this was recommended to me and I still hadn't been able to get it. And I finally got it yesterday at Whole Foods 365. It's a little pricier for me than what I usually spend on my shampoos, to be honest, but I really wanted to try this and it was a recommendation, so I'm going to give it a try. And I keep talking about it. So I know you guys are like, can she try the Giovanni already? So I'm loving, again, the Giovanni's. They don't do any animal testing. It's Leaping Bunny certified, and the ingredients on them are pretty darn good. So I'm looking forward to it. I think it is comparable to the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. I think it's comparable to that, which you guys know I love, and we'll continue on with that. If I don't fall in love with this even more so than that, I will continue on because I'm at Trader Joe's all the time. I can just grab a bottle when needed. So we're going to try this right now, see how it goes. I'm so excited it finally happened. And so for my next wash, I will be doing it with this. And hopefully my next wash, I'll be doing a wash and retwist together. I have not done that for quite a while, so hopefully I'll do a video of that coming up. So anywho, that is my product. You guys know I don't go too crazy diving into products and things, changing my hair products and routines, and I keep it simple. So, some hair accessories and maybe a little shampoo change is about as much as I, change or do. So I definitely wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much for watching. And I post every Sunday and Thursday. So I will see you guys in another few days. All right. Bye.